Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change a lamp background in Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the clock app on your Samsung phone. Click on the three dots, click on settings, locate and click on a lamp background. Then this is going to show you the default background. To change your lamp background, click on background. Then come here and select your lamp background under feature. You can even use video as your lamp background. However, if you want to set your photo as your lamp background, go ahead and open your gallery and then select the photo you want to use. Hang on, then click on done. Then this is going to set that as your lamp background. You see that? So when next you have an active alarm, it's going to show the selected background and then you are good. So that's exactly how to change a lamp background on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.